Whew. What's up guys, it's Chad with Living the Van Life, and right now I'm out on the Slickrock bike trail in Moab, Utah, and this right here is a mountain biker's dream come true. I've made it all the way up here to a very cool lookout kind of halfway through the trail. Figured it was a good opportunity to stop and take in some calories. Most importantly, take in this awesome view of this amazing landscape out here. Getting out here just as the sun's coming up and starting out this ride, it's truly like being on a different planet. Probably got about another 4 or 5 miles of trail yet to ride here. I'll hop to it, see what else this trail brings. Well, I tell you what, anybody that thinks that e-bikes is cheating, well, you know what? It's given me the motivation to come out here and do this stuff again and get myself back in shape, because it is definitely a workout. The cool thing about it is you get to go twice the distance, have twice the fun, and you still do get a workout. That is for sure. And to be out here on the Slickrock of Moab, one of the most infamous trails in the world, definitely thankful for this opportunity for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and keep rehydrating, get some calories back in me, and I thought it'd be cool to drive out towards Arches National Park, see if we can catch a sunset out there, cook ourselves up a simple meal, enjoy a little bit of van life. That'd be a good way to wrap up this day for sure. Here we are right here in Arches National Park and enjoying an amazing sunset that is going down right now. So much adventure to be had out here. Definitely glad to be making the most of it for sure. All right, I think this food is about ready to go. I'm gonna mow down. Pasta Roma for dinner this evening. A nice warm meal, yet simple, so we can make the most of the scenery instead of focus on cooking. Well, I gotta say, that was definitely a fun day to get out and do some mountain biking out here at Slickrock. And then also getting out to Arches National Park and catching a sunset and a quick and simple meal. That was a great way to finish off the day. Nonetheless, we're out here in Moab, experiencing Moab for what it's made for. And it's definitely a van lifer's paradise out here in Moab. Right now I'm just out here at the campsite, chilling around a fire, listening to some tunes, and just enjoying it for what it's worth. Alright guys, I'd say this wraps up this here van adventure. Stay tuned for more van adventures out here in Moab as I continue to explore this area. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and enjoy this night. If you guys are new to the channel, I'd invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you do, make sure and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, because that's going to notify you anytime videos like this are uploaded. Make sure and comment, leave your feedback in the comment section down below. I really enjoy hearing your guys' feedback. And most importantly, make sure and hit the like button and share this with any friends that you think might be interested in this video. In the meantime, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Peace out. Keep on trucking.